Welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. So, this video gawin natin ang energy check para po sa may mga sun, moon, at rising na Pisces. Kung bago po kayo, subscribe, like, and share. At readings are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. Gamit natin si Enchanted Map Oracle cards kasama ang malusog na mira. Pisces, your card here is number 13, Solitude. Alam mo, tawag dito. Huwag masyadong kino-constrain yung emotions mo. Ito yung point na you need to learn paano magsalita. Gamitin mo yung boses mo. Tapos na dapat yung ira mo na masyado mong kinikimkim. Hindi kasi, baka hindi nila maintindihan. Ayan yung mga takot na, baka kasi ma-judge na naman ako kasi ganito yung sinasabi ko or nararamdaman ko. Pwedeng nangyari in the past. Pero it doesn't mean na mangyayari siya ulit. Kasi what I'm getting here, ang dami sa inyo na nakakaramdam kayo na nagkakaroon kayo na parang napipigil yung growth nyo or yung movement nyo kasi na-hold back ng mabigat na emotions. So this is a moment na kung kailangan mong mag-connect with someone, sabi natin professionally or yung talagang alam mo na kapag nagsalita ka, you will not be judged, gawin mo. Kasi andun yung point na this is a time for you for detoxifying yung mga negative emotions na meron ka that is holding you back. Hindi ako magtataka may iba sa inyo na you're starting to feel that paninikip ng dibdib. Help yourself at this point, okay? I hope nakatulong yung readings. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. Kung bago po kayo, subscribe, like, and share. Readings are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. From Baguio City with Mira, you have a great day. Bye!